Here we have Lumpy in her Bumblebee costume. She's not moving though. She's very sad to be in her Bumblebee costume even though she looks so cute. Lumpy. Lumpy, will you wag that tail? Lumpy. There are her antennas. Come here, baby. Lumpy, come here. Come here. Come here, Lumpy. Come on, baby. Lumpy, come here. Come here and I'll take it off you. Come here and I'll take it off you. Lumpy. Lumpy. Lumpy, who's there? Who is it, Lumpy? Look! Who is it? Who is it? Come here. Yay! She's moving. Oh, shake it off. Shake it off. Oh, your antennas fell. Your little antennae fell. Here, a little bit more. How about now? Oh, can you flutter your wings? Why don't you flutter your wings a little bit? Just flutter, flutter. Flutter your wings. No? You want me to take it off you? Yeah. Okay. We'll take it off you. There we go. Let's take it off you and see how excited you get without it, huh? You want it off? There we go. There we go. Now let's see you moving. Let's see you moving now. Say hi. Say hi. We'll go get a toy. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go find a toy. Where's your toy? Go get it. Where is it? Come here. Where's the toy? Lumpy. There it is. Come here with your toy. Come here with your toy. Okay, good girl.